Welcome to our YouTube video on how to change message notification tones on WhatsApp. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the steps to customize your notification tones. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the WhatsApp app, look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the page. Tap on it to access the menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This will open the notification settings for WhatsApp. Step 5. Under the Messages section, you'll see an option for Notification Tone. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. Now you'll be presented with a list of available tones. Browse through the options and select the tone you prefer for your message notifications. That's it. You have successfully changed your message notification tone on WhatsApp. Enjoy a personalized notification experience on the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.